Hey guys, so today we're going to let's see what inside of the quark. So let's see inside of the quark. It's the quartz quark movement. So let's see. Oh, it's ticking. I hear ticking. So this quark, it has second hand, it has a ticking sound. So let's put it on the wall. So if you're not hear ticking, let's do it. Yes, so it's ticking. So let's see what inside of the blue wall clock. So what's see the inside of in the inside and the outside of the blue wall clock. So let's see. I hear ticking, so let's see the movement. Oh, I hear ticking. So it's going to set the time. It's going to move it down. Let's do. So this clock, it has a ticking sound. So let's see in the back, what inside. Let's put it back on the wall, and let's go. Oh, here's the hall. Let's go. So I'll put it on the nail. And it's so hard. Not hard, yeah, it's easy. So this clock, what date is today? Oh, today is Monday, May 26, 2025. So long!